And with Buford.
Hello, this is Buford Matisse Engineering. We're doing door, hardwood, stained it, cherry, very pretty door, very nice door, wood, very hard to make. We're staining it,
Well, you heard it from Buford first. Mom, scoot over this way a little bit, then we can get some of this door in here. This door is so magnificent. We appreciate the opportunity and the trust that our customers give us so that we can create a custom design door created by Baptiste and Baptiste Interior Craftsman specialists in the interior field for the last 40 plus years. Our projects are DuSable Museum, First Chicago Bank, Harris Bank, Eddie Bond Water Tower. Oh, and don't forget KLM Royal Airlines. We're our specialists. We appreciate our customers' trust. You can reach us 708-510-5678. And what I'd like you to know is my son is only 15. He's been working with me for the last 15 years. And so he's at the point now where he can do intricate, delicate stuff and help and work with Dad, and I can come behind him and make sure that we're doing a good job. So I love doing this. I love sharing this work and this knowledge with younger people. Son, we missed one spot right here in the seam, one spot in the seam. And so we want it to be perfect. We want our customer to be proud. This is a boardroom door that's going to be used at the entrance of his home. He has a historical mansion down in Chicago, and we want him to be proud that he hired African Americans to do his job. 708-510-5678. Of course, if you're watching this video, you're on YouTube. Brains, B-R-A-I-N-E-S 22. When it has to be done right and fast, and you want your money's worth, call the experts.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.